क्वेश्चन 1 व्हाट इज द लॉन्च डेट फॉर चंद्रयान 3 मिशन? अ 24 जुलाई 2023, बी 14 जुलाई 2023, सी 13 जुलाई 2023, डी 4 जुलाई 2023। The correct answer is B. Explanation: Chandrayaan 3 is the third lunar exploration mission by the Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO) to be launched on 14 July 2023. Question 2. The Chandrayaan 3 mission's rover is known as चंद्रयान 3 मिशन के रोवर को कहा जाता है? अ विक्रम, बी भीम, सी प्रज्ञान, डी ध्रुव। So correct answer is C. Explanation: according to the ISRO chairman, the names Vikram for the lander and Pragyan for the rover will be carried over honor the Chandrayaan 2 mission. Question 3. The mission life of the lander and rover equal to lander और rover की mission life बराबर अ 14 अर्थ डेज, बी 24 अर्थ डेज, सी 16 अर्थ डेज, डी 12 अर्थ डेज। The correct answer is A. Explanation: the mission life of the lander according to ISRO authorities is 1 lunar day, which is equivalent to 14 days on Earth. Question 4. How much did the Chandrayaan 3 mission cost? चंद्रयान 3 मिशन की लागत कितनी थी? अ 1200 करोड़, बी 960 करोड़, सी 600 करोड़, डी 540 करोड़। Answer C is the correct answer. The explanation is Chandrayaan 3 mission costs lesser than the Chandrayaan 2 mission, which was more than 960 crores. Question 5. Which launcher is used for Chandrayaan 3? चंद्रयान 3 के लिए किस लॉन्चर का उपयोग किया जाता है? अ GSLV, बी एलवीएसएम, सी GSLV ओम के 3, डी PSLV। The explanation is the chosen launcher for Chandrayaan 3 is GSLV OMK-3, which will position the integrated module in an elliptic parking orbit (EPO) marine approximately 170-36,500 किलोमीटर in size. 6. What is the total weight of Chandrayaan 3? चंद्रयान 3 का कुल वजन कितना है? अ 4100 किलोग्राम, बी 3900 किलोग्राम, सी 2190 किलोग्राम, डी 5200 किलोग्राम। Correct answer is B. Explanation: the propulsion module alone weighs 2148 kilogram and the lander and the rover are both in the lander module which weighs 1752 kilograms. Question 7. The mission objectives of Chandrayaan 3. चंद्रयान 3 के मिशन उद्देश्य are to demonstrate rover roving on the moon and b to demonstrate safe and soft landing on lunar surface, c to conduct in situ scientific experience, d all of the above. The correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question 8. Which of the following is missing in Chandrayaan 3? चंद्रयान 3 में निम्नलिखित में से क्या गायब है? अ रोवर, बी लैंडर, सी ऑर्बिटर, डी नन ऑफ द अबव। The correct answer is option C. The explanation is according to ISRO, Chandrayaan 2 was fitted with the lander Vikram, an orbiter and rover Pragyan, whereas Chandrayaan 3 will carry only a rover and a lander. Also, the orbiter that was launched with Chandrayaan-2 will still be in use. Question 9. Who is the director of the Chandrayaan-3 mission? Chandrayaan-3 मिशन के निदेशक कौन हैं? A. वीर मुथुवेल, B. एम वनिथा, C. ऋतु करिधाल, D. के सिवान. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. Ritu Kharidhal is a prominent scientist at the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. She will be leading the launch of Chandrayaan-3 this year. Where will Chandrayaan-3 land on the moon? Chandrayaan-3 चंद्रमा पर कहाँ उतरेगा? A. Near the South Pole, B. Near the North Pole, C. In the equatorial region, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. The explanation is the objective of this mission is to explore the South Pole of the Moon. This is because the South Pole of the Moon is rich in water ice, which is a valuable resource for future lunar exploration. The South Pole is also less explored than the North Pole, so there is a lot of scientific potential in landing there. Question 11. What will be the design of the propulsion module? Propulsion module का डिजाइन क्या होगा? A box-like structure with a solar panel on the side with a cylinder on top. B. Rectangular structure with solar panels on all sides. C. Cube with a sphere on top. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Explanation is the propulsion module is a box-like structure with a huge solar panel on one side and a massive cylinder on top. The cylinder, known as the intermodule adapter cone, will serve as the lander's mounting frameworks. Question 12. What are the scientific instruments that will be carried by the lander and rover in Chandrayaan-3? Chandrayaan-3 में लैंडर और रोवर कौन से वैज्ञानिक उपकरण ले जाएंगे? A. Surface science instruments, B. Atmospheric science instruments, C. Water science instruments, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question 13. Which country is the fourth country to successfully land a spacecraft on the moon? चंद्रमा पर सफलतापूर्वक अंतरिक्ष यान उतारने वाला चौथा देश कौन सा है? A. China, B. India, C. Russia, D. USA. Answer is option B. Explanation. The first three countries to successfully land at the moon were the United States, Russia, and China. India became the fourth country to do so on 7 सितंबर 2019 when the Chandrayaan-2 lander Vikram successfully touched down on the lunar surface. ऐसे ही वीडियो देखने के लिए कृपया लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें। आपका लाइक हमारे लिए महत्वपूर्ण है, उसी से हमें प्रेरणा मिलती है। अगर आप कुछ सुझाव देना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट करें। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।